Hey, excuse me.
Hi, hello.
How much do you pay for rent in Canada?
I actually own my
How
home.
much do you pay?
Around 6.
Can we take a look?
No. Welcome.
Wow. Retro. I love your walls.
I actually hand painted them.
Really?
And this one?
Oh, yeah. 70s, eh?
I enjoy being around things that make me happy.
Strawberry, ice cream, mushies.
This is my favorite room.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you are so neat.
I try.
Ooh.
Lip chair. Lipstick mirror.
Okay.
I have a pair.
I think you like ice cream.
Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate. And Smarties.
I actually sell vintage and collectibles, so many of these items don't stick around long. But I love it because I'm inviting new treasures in my home every day.
Hey, excuse me.
Hey, how are you?
What do you pay for rent in Toronto?
Well, I actually own my unit. I paid $180,000.
Mind if we take a look?
No, not at all. Welcome, Brian. Come on in.
Oh my, wow. This really opens up. How high are your ceilings?
Actually, about 35 feet. That's Stanton and Prescott. You know Doug Gilmore?
The hockey player?
This was his bachelor pad.
Sweet. That's a big horse.
That was a movie prop. Come on upstairs and then see what's up here. Hang on, because there's no railing. Just don't look down.
Wow. You are living the hard loft life. I need to know more about this.
That was a window prop from a luxury brand to hold a purse.
Who's there longer?
This is a Subway grate from downtown Toronto.
Oh wow. Now that's a soaker tub.
Built for two.
Ooh, venturing into Zen. Tell me about this.
It's a self-portrait. And I finished it in about 24 hours. Third and final floor.
Closet check. Wait, Nick Cage?
Well, we don't have to look. Let's continue.
A see-through mask?
Studio 54, baby. 1978.
So what do you do, by the way?
I model, teach, interior design.
Jeff of all trades. Hello? 1983? Magic potion?
No, I think it's port. You want some?
No. Can I bite your baguette?
Sure.
To new friends. Let's go. Hey, excuse me.
Hi.
How much do you pay for rent in Toronto? Do you
$1,600.
mind if we take a look?
Sure, I think you'll be surprised. Welcome to the Pastel Palace.
This is so cool.
This is Judy, and that's Elmer.
Where'd you get the gumball machine?
Found this at St. Lawrence Market.
I'm loving the neon.
My life is a disco.
How many disco balls do you have?
Over 200.
Collection number 2?
Do you have a favorite pair?
I do. Rad kitchen.
Where I don't cook, this is where I paint.
Bubblegum pink?
No, nursery pink, duh. She's peel and stick.
I love your Spice Village.
I'd totally live in Basil.
I'll take Sheev.
Come upstairs. Strawberry.
Oh my gosh.
Bedroom.
Wow.
Dopamine rack. Dog. Mailbox. My most fun favorite pieces. My home is just a pure reflection of who I am as a person.
Cool pink rock.
Pink amethyst. The dog chewed my hands off and one of my feet.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah,
How much do you pay for rent in Toronto?
$15.50.
Do you mind if we take a look?
Sure, I just live over in Chinatown. Welcome to my hidden oasis.
Wow, an urban jungle. Now that's an aquarium.
I built this in 2 days.
Those are some unique fish.
Those glow tetras?
Closet check. Llama?
Oh, let's keep going.
What? Never mind. Where'd you get the neon?
My travels to Asia. Chungtown, Bangya.
How high are your ceiling?
About 12 foot. Come check this out.
What do you have in here?
My collection and my bedroom.
Super neat. So you built all this?
Yeah, just don't tell my landlord. A few knickknacks on the wall.
What's this?
A raccoon skull I found out on the street. I sealed it in resin. The first ever manufactured toaster from 1905.
Vintage toast.
12 seconds later.
Oh, I guess it's done. This is where my creations come to life. Welcome to my workshop.
Whoa. So what do you do, by the way?
Clothing design, art directing, interior design, and I make things. Final touches.
I'll take it.
My outdoor sanctuary.
What are the spikes for?
Anti-raccoon barrier.
Did you build this too?
Yeah, I did. I found this rock with a hole and was inspired. Want to see my snack of choice?
Sure.
You ever had raw ramen? First you French it, then you season. To new friends.
The tallest fridge I have ever seen.
This part's all ice cream.